Hello and welcome to Real Hi-Fi Help. I'll be covering Siltech cables, how they sound. So I haven't heard a lot of Siltech cables, but I generally noticed that they follow pretty much the same type of sound with the cables that I did listen to. So I mean, you have to take what I'm saying here with a grain of salt, because I just haven't got a lot of experience with Siltech cables. But what I have heard sounded pretty good, intelligent, solid sound with good structure, was revealing but still compatible with a lot of gear. Instruments and voices were pretty good, and you don't get that with a lot of cables. So I would say that, yeah, we have a contender here for, top Cardus, top AudioQuest cables, stuff like that. I mean, and those cables are pretty darn good, Siltech cables, mid to top at least models that they make are pretty good, pretty solid, and I would say I would raise them up and say that yeah, top 25 cable brand in the world. I would say that, you can't say that about a lot of companies. There are probably a couple of hundred cable companies in the world, and I would say that, like, this is most likely one of the top 25 in the world. I mean, they aren't as good as Kondo, and especially not AudioNote when you take their top cables into consideration. They're just not, the naturality, the purity, the integration, the most sophisticated warmth that AudioNote have with their silver cables. It's just not close to that. But still, Siltech, good cable manufacturing brand, and yeah, just pretty damn awesome. Pretty damn awesome. I wish that more people had Siltech cables, and the only really negative thing you can say about it is the same thing you can say about a lot of other cable brands that make pretty good cables, and that's price. And it doesn't beat AudioNote and Kondo, but still damn good. Once in a while you can get a used Siltech cable that is very impressive, also price wise. So yeah, well, one of those better cable manufacturing brands that you don't see a hell of a lot all around the world, simply because of the price. So kind of interesting Siltech cables. Well, that's all for this video, and remember to like and subscribe. Bye.